What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for November 2019? The Vancouver Westside single family market is now favoring buyers. That's right, when you look at the entire Vancouver Westside as a whole, it's favoring buyers. But Kitsilano is different. Kitsilano is one of the only neighborhoods in the entire Vancouver Westside single family market that's now favoring sellers. That's right, we're in a seller's market in Kitsilano. 7 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. So which was the most expensive home to sell? Well, the most expensive home sold for $15.5 million. That's right, this was actually one of the most expensive homes to sell in the entire year. $15.5 million. But the interesting thing about this home is it was first listed on the market in June of 2016 for $28 million and it just sold for $15.5 million. It was located right on Point Grey Road, aka the Miracle Golden Mile or whatever they call it. But this home sold after 3 years on the market. Now, what was the least expensive home? Well, the least expensive home sold for just over $2 million, and it was actually a duplex. That's 2 homes that share a common wall. This duplex was located on Collingwood and 5th Avenue, and it was located on a 40-foot wide by 90-foot deep lot, 107-year-old duplex, just over $2 million. 27 homes were available and on the market last month, so to have 7 of them sell, again, puts us into what the real estate board defines as a seller's market, with 27% of the homes selling. Remember that the real estate board defines a seller's market when anything over 21% of the homes sell in a given month. So Kitsilano is doing quite well with 27% of the homes selling. Sold values in Kitsilano are a little bit higher than what we're seeing in the Vancouver Westside in general, which is unusual. Usually Kitsilano is a little bit more affordable, but last month the sold values were actually about $120,000 higher, the median price for a Kitsilano home, when compared to the rest of the Vancouver Westside, which is sitting at just over $3 million. Actually, $3,088,000 is the median price for your typical detached single family home in the Westside as a whole. If you'd like to take a look at these 7 homes that sold in Kitsilano last month, I've got them all laid out on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these 7 homes that sold, including that really expensive one that sold for $15.5 million. Feel free to download those 7 homes that sold by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And if you'd like to contact me, you can reach me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.